Hello, my name is Maria Miller from mathmammoth.com. In this video we're gonna just solve some integer problems. Write an expression. Bob had $20. He earned $50. Then he spent $40 and $50 and $10. And then he earned $90 and he spent $100. Now this is a situation where Bob is able to use a credit card. So when he goes to the store, he buys with the credit card, so it doesn't really matter if he has the cash or not. He can just spend and spend, he can go into debt. And we are gonna now write an expression of his money situation here. And then we can actually evaluate it in the end and find out whether he's in debt or whether he's on the positive side. Bob had $20 is the starting point. So I'll write here 20. I'm gonna omit the dollar signs for now, just to make it simpler. Then he earns 50, so that is definitely addition of 50, right? And then he spent all those, so those would be like subtractions. Spent 40 and 50 and 10. Then he earns 90 and then he spends 100. Okay. Now I'm going to show you another way to write this same expression where we'll only use addition. We're not going to use subtraction, we're going to use addition of negative numbers. So that would be written like this, 20 plus 50. Then when I come to negative 40, I'm going to write addition, add negative 40. Okay? And this the same way. Instead of subtracting, I add a negative. And that is the same way. Add a negative 10, then plus 90, and then lastly add a negative 100. Okay. Now we will evaluate this expression or calculate. Okay? And when we are adding many numbers, some negative, some positive, we will first find out how many negatives there are in total, how many positives there are in total. And here the positives are, it helps to mark them, his positives over there, okay? There's 70 plus 90, 160 positives. And how many negatives? Okay, here's 100, 200. Add 200 negatives. Like that. And so the negative side will win by 40. And let's put the dollar sign there now. So he's in debt $40 at this point. You can do this just from here if you want to. Just check the positives again and then take each subtracted number as a negative. Check how much is subtracted in total. Think of it as negatives. And you'll get the same answer, of course.